All right, are you stuck? Are you out of ideas? Have you even joined Save Club yet? Okay, there's a lot of roadblocks in your mind that might be making you stall or hesitate. And if you don't want to join, I get it. But if you do, I'm going to show you how. And then I'm going to try to make you go from 0 to 100 miles an hour in like 2 or 3 seconds and not 2 or 3 minutes. I've been in Save Club now going on my second month. I was in a handful of weeks as the pre-launch was debuted. I think it came out May 1st about. So for that 3-4 week period, I learned a lot about Save Club. And then June 1st, about 27 days ago, is when the whole world was exposed. Just wing, look at me, wow. Okay, so this is an international thing now, not just a Las Vegas Save Club. That's where we're based out of. This is not only America. Maybe Canada, Mexico, we share the same North America piece of dirt, don't we? But we're already over in the UK. We are signing up people, yes, all over Asia and Africa, down to Australia, Brazil. Let's go up a little bit. How about up to Alaska? Yeah, we'll check out Iceland, Greenland. What's happening, guys? But you got to be patient. In 27 days, in my mind, we're still in the pre-launch mode. Okay, the first 2 or 3 weeks, working some buttons out, making sure the website's awesome, and it is. The website's perfect. The credit card processing is awesome. The web pages, the capture page. We accept cryptocurrency, which is awesome because most worldwide companies, it's a crypto thing now. Okay, everyone's heard of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and some other cryptocurrencies, but yes, it is legit, and we're not a cryptocurrency investment type of thing. But if you want to pay in cryptocurrency, by gosh, you can at Save Club. Because yes, we are worldwide. This is not just cash. This is not Canadian dollar, yen. Oh my God, how many currencies are there? About 1,000? Well, crypto don't care. It's just a numbers thing. So when you get your own crypto account, you can go ahead and participate in Save Club right now. You don't have to wait until your country's activated. The best time to join opportunities that are worldwide like this is during the pre-launch. And even though we're 27 days old, we're still growing. We have tens of thousands of deals already, and they're mostly in America. They'll probably hit Canada and Mexico, and then we're going to leapfrog over to the UK. And right now, just about every day I get an email. Are you in Portugal? Are you in Malaysia, Japan? I got people that are dying to participate, and I'm like, look, no matter what, you can't stop Save Club at this point, just like you can't stop Priceline, Orbitz, or Groupon. But if you're an affiliate, you need to build your foundation now. Get your cement. Build that big-ass foundation. And you know what? Start building the building. But who's going to be on the first level, the third level, the fifth level, the 10th? Let's say you're building a 25-story building. Who's going to be at the top? Who wants that penthouse? I do. Because if I can help out with the foundation and the cement, maybe I can even have some involvement with the windows. What's the carpeting like? All right, I like the design stuff. That's what's fun if you are fortunate enough, fingers crossed, you can buy maybe a new home one day or maybe a new car. It's fun just to pick out your own wardrobe. My gosh, this cost me about $10. Actually, I got it for free from my friend's band, now that I think of it. But I did pick out this cool chain around my neck. Okay, you got to think of Save Club right now as you're the builder. You're the contractor. Let's build the infrastructure, and then we are going to get the best people to move in our building. And that is maybe you. Would you like to move in a big-ass building and help, with the decorations? And what businesses should we have? Should we have flight? Should we have hotel? Should we have food? Of course. All right, you can go and just do some research about Save Club. Go to Google. I just use Chrome. Use your browser and just Google to the max, or go and see all the, oh my gosh, if you go to YouTube and type in Save Club scam or Save Club review, it's usually people that are just making a review without even joining Save Club. And then halfway through, but my research, this is the best opportunity. Guys, I've made almost 500 videos, all like this. I don't pay for some CapCut or some type of Fiverr company to take a 10-minute video and dice it up to 10 1-minute things or 2 5-minute videos. I don't do that. I sit here and I do the work. I get a hold of customer service. I get to know the ownership. I look at the deals. And then if I'm going to go ahead and save on things I'm already buying, my gosh, I go ahead and do what the app says. Find the deal. Either save it on your screen on your cell phone, or if you're on your home computer with a printer, you can also print out the deal. But what most people are going to do with Save Club, they're going to use their cell phone. You go to a restaurant, boom, boom, show your code, enjoy the savings. Go to Discount Tire. You can have your cell phone, boom, there's the code. Give it to the person you're paying for all those tires. Enjoy the savings. I did that with Purple Mattress. I did that with Kurt's Car Wash. I did that with Take 5 Car Wash. I did that with Secret Beach Tanning Salon. I have done that with Wendy's, unfortunately, working on this body, trying to keep rocking as I go on 60 years old. But Save Club's easy. And with the new app that's coming out, and it's going to be debuted to the world tonight, coincidentally, in a couple hours, because today is June 27th, Friday. Well, our Zoom in a couple hours. Yes, the brand new Save Club app, which is free, by the way. You're just going to go and search for a Save Club app, either Android or if you're on the iPhone train. Yes, you're going to have an app that makes it even easier. Okay? We specialize in food maniacs. Do you like food? Of course you do. You like air? You like breathing? Oh, yeah. You like vehicles? You like to fix them? How about your tooth? Does it hurt? Do you need some medical attention? Do you need to put some diesel or some gasoline to go vroom down the streets? That's what I need. So I cannot wait to just sit and save on gas and diesel alone. Some of the bigger purchases, I've been lucky enough to already save about 900 and some change first 2 months. I've made over 4 or 5 grand cash, and with my new funnel, I've got $1,500 extra dollars in my pocket that's recurring, and that's people getting my funnel that is specially built just for Save Club. Because when people join Save Club, they get stuck. They don't know what to do, so they're just going to focus on saving money. But if you're an affiliate and you're going to pay that $60, you need to know how to recruit and do things. Well, right now we have an insane amount of training on how to do TikTok, Instagram. Everything is built in for $60. You're going to freak out when you see all the pictures and the video that are waiting for you to upload and use. And at the bottom of those videos, click my link. If you need more information, click here. That's all you got to do. So if you're shy and you have no experience, don't worry about it. We got your back. The biggest leaders and the founders of this company, we already know where everyone gets stuck. You join, you get excited, and then within usually 3 to 4 days or a week, you're completely stuck. Another week, you might hang in there. And then by the 4th week, you don't even really want to be an affiliate at that point because you're kind of confused of what to do. So you'll just focus on being a member and saving probably $100 to $200 a month by only spending $20. Okay, so I get the membership side. The membership side is going to take care of itself. But we need people to be an affiliate so that people can sign up to be a member. Okay, you can't just call 1-800-SAVE-CLUB and join. You can only sign up under affiliates. And guys, we're only 27 days old. Okay, it's going to take some time. Give it another month or two, but it's only $20. It's only $60. It's $80. $79.97. You're locked in. And if you're getting a deal after deal after deal, week after week or month after month, or in my case, $900 the first 60 days, I've already more than paid for the value of that $19.97 a month for the membership. Man, what a deal that is. I'm still telling everybody, and I don't even mean to, because when I do online business, I don't want to be one of those guys that hypes up stuff or passive aggressive where you kind of mention something and then walk away and you're hoping people, well, what are you talking about? What is this club you're mentioning on Facebook now and then, Cory? Or what are you doing, kid? I'm like, well, this is what I'm doing. Now, those type of techniques can work, but they're not for everybody. You know, you can try spamming. You're not going to get anywhere with that. You're just going to get shut down. You can do some things on social media, but you got to do it in a certain way that's interesting. And the pictures are awesome. And it's kind of compelling, sexy. It's mysterious. All right? You got to make people like you or me stop and just go, I'm going to look into this Save thing because Priceline, Groupon, Orbits, and about 5 million other saving opportunities have been around a long time, but not worldwide, not international, and not with an affiliate division where you can get paid instead of the Kardashians, sports, celebrity people, movie peeps, or someone that has a YouTube channel that's an influencer with like 50 million subscribers. Guys, you're looking at me right now. You can do this. With the training and the support, the 2 private groups I can invite you to, I think you're really going to have a good experience, okay? Let me just end by showing you my business card that I made at Vistaprint. $22. I bought this domain name, saveclubfunnels.com. I own this. And this funnel kicks ass. I've signed up well over 75 people. I have no doubt I'm going to sign up 200, 300, 400 people with this funnel. And yes, we're going to update it because we make the funnel now according to whatever the stats are with Save Club. Now, next month, we're going to have more people, more products in the back office where you can save on products or services. And we're going to have just an insane amount of training. Do you want to see what it looks like just real quick? SaveClubFunnels.com. Okay, I'll get back. I'll end the video with this up on the screen, so don't worry. I just want you to see what you're getting into for $60. Okay, you hit this training portal. Oh, I don't know how to do this. I don't know how to do that. Well, guess what? You even get tips on how to watch this training. And these are just short little videos like YouTube videos. Okay, what's the first thing you do? How do you get your marketing pages? Look at this. It's all in a row. And then you get to the point where it's like, how do I post on Facebook? How do I find a Facebook group? All right. How do I do Instagram, TikTok? Look at that. X, Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTube is my favorite. But look, this is all included for $60. Look at how many training videos. And I like how clear they are. It's not a bunch of nonsense. Sometimes training's a pain in the ass, but I like how we do stuff. Marketing materials. Yeah, you can download the compensation plan. Do you want to talk about the comp plan and bore people to death? No, just send them this video. How do you get deals on Save Club? You send people this video. That's all you do. Don't make this more complicated than you need to, guys. There's tons of support. I know you can do this. And if you're watching this video, you've probably already joined Save Club. And if you have and you're stuck, go to saveclubfunnels.com. You're going to join a team this time with even more training, more support, live Zooms Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. They're recorded. You're going to have so much support, you're never going to get stuck. And you're going to help your downline, just like you. If you join my group, you're my downline. I need to help you duplicate. I want all of us to duplicate. That is the power of this matrix system. Okay? So anyway, guys, I'll go ahead and end the video right now. Thanks for your time. SaveClubFunnels.com. Just go there. Check it out. Watch that video. And you'll see why I've been signing up people left and right, well over 100 already, just by using that funnel system. Let the videos do the recruiting and the explaining. All you do is do the inviting to click something. That's it. Okay, guys, thanks for your time. Have a good one. Talk to you soon. Bye.